Twitter profile and scrolling, checking on my notifications. Oops, bots. 10 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 23 hours ago. Oh wow, I'm tired of these bots. Is there anyone else who is tired? These bots, we need to do something. Elon, please. How do we do this? How do we achieve something? Because I'm really tired of these bots that keep tagging me in their posts. Most of these bots are actually crypto or web related. For example, if I checked this, you see it's no longer there because it's from a suspended account and they're actually getting suspended. You can see that actually most of these bots, they're getting suspended, and this actually puts you at a risk of also getting suspended because they realize I do content about Web3 and they pick particular and they target people who talk about Web3, and majorly that's what they do. They tag you and see most of them are getting suspended. If I clicked on this, you see it could be also be getting suspended anytime, and you can see it has 110 tweets. They're all bots. Oh god. Elon Musk, thank you for coming on board. Let's do this. Oh, meanwhile, I'm Ronnie Atire, aka Afroboy Tex, and you can just subscribe for more.